All right, welcome to a great morning, a great fabulous morning with this old porch with Reliable Contractors. We have Dwayne with us. My name is Curtis John Baptiste. I am one of the team leaders here. Dwayne's one of the seasoned tradesmen with us today. 708-654-1823. As you can see, we're getting that Trex deck in, and boy, is it beautiful. I recommend Trex over composite any day because it is truly not only beautiful, it comes to life, but it's also a maintenance-free product. So we're going all the way down the steps with our Trex, and we have awesome aluminum handrails that are going in white. Well, we have one little setback. We're going to have to change the columns. They're the last that's rotted on the deck. We thought that they were in good shape, but we discovered they're the last that's rotted. So we're going to change them both to 8x8s instead of 6x6s, and that way we won't have to put the white untreated boards on top of it. So when things have to be done right and fast, sometimes it takes a lot of planning and a lot of decisions and great customers. So we're blessed. We have Miss Patty Rona and her family here working with us. We're in Berwin, Illinois, and boy, are we happy. White lattice goes on the bottom all the way around, and we get a door so Patty can access the underside of the deck. And this is what it's all about. So you can see we're having fun and very happy to be a part of this team. We're wrapping this job up. We have maybe about 2-3 more days, and it's a done deal. 708-654-1823, and it has to be done right and fast. Call the pros. I am Curtis John Baptiste.